It's time to learn the half hour. The shorthand shows the hour, which is 10. The longhand shows the minutes. When the longhand is on the 6, it means 30. So the time here is 10:30. The time is 1:30. The time is 2:30. The time is 3:30. The time is 4:30. The time is 5:30. The time is 6:30. The time is 7:30. The time is 8:30. The time is 9:30. The time is 10:30. The time is 11:30. The time is 12:30. Thank you. See you next time.